So in Bradford now, 2 years later, we have something called Vision for Learning in all our 6 special schools. If it wasn't for Positive Looking, we wouldn't have been able to launch it as successfully. Positive Looking was the first thing that we brought into the schools. It was easy to use, it was user-friendly, it gave us data, and schools took it on board very quickly. In the special schools, we have a vision lead in each of the 6 schools, and several vision champions, one for each class really in the special schools. The vision champions actually do the work. The vision leads usually liaise with me and the vision champions. It has had a massive impact on how our children use their vision. Our ophthalmologist actually said to me recently, what a difference 2 years has made, because the staff can talk about vision. When I go in, they can tell me exactly what targets the children are working on, how they're working on them, what resources they're using. They can show me their observations. So over time, I can get a clear picture of where each child is working. It's also helped us to identify those children who are not on my caseload, but are still in the special schools struggling with their vision. So the vision champions now have enough knowledge to actually flag up children and say, can we look at this? So one example is that we use communication aids in our special schools. And in 2 separate schools, vision champions have questioned the size of the symbols being used, that they were much too small and the children actually couldn't see what they were pressing. And so we've used Positive Looking to actually determine what is the optimum size for those symbols. And we've liaised with the speech and language therapist to change what's happening on the communication aid. So it's not just helping it is helping the children, and obviously we can show progress, but it's upskilling the staff, and vision is now a priority in our special schools. So we're up there with behaviour, autism, literacy. We have a Vision for Learning group now in each school. And that means that we can have joint training, we can network with each other, and it all hangs around Positive Looking. The progress now, after 2 years, is starting to come through, because the children we work with don't make progress very quickly generally. But we have seen progress in individual children, and the schools actually like Positive Looking because we can show progress. There is the chance to collect data at the end. So yes, we have seen progress. And as for Gwyneth, Gwyneth has enthused my staff tremendously. She has done 2 joint training days for the DAP. The DAP's a district attainment partnership between the special schools, and she has come for the 2 big joint training days and completely enthused the special school staff.